Hey, welcome to the channel. So, you've installed Speeduino in your automatic MX5. Your automatic MX5 has a variable TPS, but for some reason in Tuner Studio it's not showing up. In this episode I'm going to explain you why and show you how to fix it. So basically the issue is when you buy a Speeduino, the Speeduino are actually designed mostly for manual MX5. On a manual MX5, the loom is different than on an automatic. On an automatic, our TPS is already variable. On a manual, it is not. On the manual, you will upgrade it to a 3-plug VTPS. That is what Speeduino is ready for, because basically he expects your loom to be a manual loom and only have 3-pin plug. If you're an automatic like me, you've got the 4-pin plug. So, this is a variable. It does exactly the same as the one that comes in the kit for manual. The only reason it doesn't work is simply because of the wiring. So, if you split open the wire in here, you can see where the pin goes, and then the plug goes like this. Then we've got the pins from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is 5 volt, second is a signal, the third is the idle switch, the fourth is the ground. But if you use your voltmeter, you will find out that actually the cable for the idle switch, so 1, 2, 3, a third cable, actually contains the 5 volt input, when normally our sensor expects 5 volt to be on pin 1. So we already know that our cable that goes to pin 3, we are going to have to put to pin 1. Then using the voltmeter again, I detected and make sure pin 2 is indeed a signal. So as we've got 5 volt coming in here, we've got neutral coming in here, it is fair to assume that the signal cable is probably still correct. And the only reason the sensor isn't working is because it doesn't get powered. I'm guessing on this line doesn't do anything on the ECU. So anyway, I'm going to take that third pin here, move it to that pin, and then we'll fire up Tuner Studio and see if that solves our issue. So just to show you, all I did for now, I'll do a clean job after, but I just wanted to test. That one's cut. The third one, so that adder power has been redirected to the first one, the other two have been left alone. Tools, calibrate TPS, close throttle current, get current, press the pedal to the max, get current, and accept. And as you can see now, we have TPS. And here we go, guys. That was really just a quick one, but yeah, just to put the info out there, I've researched this quite a bit via the end voltmeter, and all the plugs go to the ECU, so it's just a question of toggling with wiring, but it's something that sometimes can, you know, make people a bit more stressy, the wiring. But yeah, if you do what I've done, basically you can get your VTPS from your automatic, if I can say it, MX5 to work fine with Speeduino. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you want to see more MX5 video, I'm actually doing a turbo build on this MX5, so if you want to do the same, go check out that playlist. Anyway, see you in the next time. Bye.